Tafliad medde'r dyfarnwr, felly'r pwysau yn parhau. Dyma Kirchhoff, Bill Beryglesydd, posib pella! Venables yn dod yn gyfartal ar record Wyn Thomas am y nifer ymddangosiadau yn uwch gyngred Cymru. Owen, postyn agosaf, flic yn erbyn y postyn, a mas o hi. Mi'n amau mae Iorwerth y cefnwr canol mawr gath y flic. A nath hi mor gloi mewn anodd gweud. Henry Jones yn troi. Ymlaen â hi, Venables i mewn yn erbyn y golwr. Cyfle i'r un ben, yn ei sgwarioi! A mae Reynolds i rhwydo ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yma. Yr ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Yr un ben, Chris Venables, dal yn glyfar, yn sgwario hwnna'n berffaith. A Reynolds yn rhwydo. Kirchhoff yn cwrdd Bill Reid, Miles Davies, digon o le, digon o amser. Yn mentro ymlaen, nawr yn croesi. Venables yn aros, Henry Jones na. Kirchhoff i'r Cwt Cosby, lawr y ge. Owen, nôl, Kirchhoff ar e'r gyd. Y Bill nôl at Reynolds y tro yma. Cyfle arall i roi yn Reynolds! I ail o'r noson, ail ar ymwelwyr. Mae rhywun yn tybio fod na. Bron i 20 munud yn weddill yn y gêm hyn. Mae drosodd. Henry Jones a neb arall sy'n cael cymryd hon. Llygadu hon ers amser ar i'r gyd yn un. Beryglus yn un dda, yn un bwerus, yn crymanu'n gywraint ar postau bella na. Griffiths. Liwthio mas, Llydan. Owen yn cefnogi. Brown yn y canol yn aros amdani. Mae Harlin yn cyrraedd hefyd. A Miles Davies ar y postyn pella. Nôl i'r canol. Harlin yr peniad yn erbyn y bar. Aberystwyth yn methu clirio. Mor diwedd yn gwneud. Mae bron iddyn nhw wildio'r drydedd. Aberystwyth a Darlington, cyfle hwyr. O, mae'n mewn, mae'n gol. Thorn ar peniad, mae'n symudiad bach clyfar. Gigrydd gan Darlington yn cael ei chwipio ar hyd wyneb y gol yma. Jack Thorn i gwiro honna, heibio'r golwr. Peli Chelan, digon oedd o, mae pennell di gollol i, dros ben pawb. Hogan, ar y milwr cwrt yn trio creu lle, Kirkman. Yn mynd i yrru hon yn gadarn y mas am gic gornel, wel dyna fysa wedi bod yn dipyn o ddrama. Pennock, wel sy'n wedi cael llawer i wneud hyn yma. Mynd o chwyth dros i ben, nôl tuag at y gol, a'i amddiffynwyr yn achub y dydd ac yn achub y triffwynt. Oedd edrych bach yn rwystredig felly yn yr hanner cynta, methu creu lot o gyfleon?
Oedd o'n efo sut nath Aberystwyth siapio fyny efo bancio 4-4. Fydda'n anodd ni creu peth a i ddod yn oes nath nhw'n dda hanner cynta neu beth nhw eisiau gwneud. Slobi'r gêm lawr a frustration ni so nath nhw'n iawn.
Ond yn ffodus wedyn fod chwaraewyr fel Chris Venables yn creu bach o gyfle i ti a gallu rhoi hwnna'n cefnod?
Yn union, dwi'n oes chi, ydyn nhw'n expectio fe pasio rhywun gynta. O'n i'n meddwl sef wedi sgorio hyn, ond na, mae dda chwarae fo Chris a mae'r talent i gyd yn ynddi a mae'n enw ni lig a bod mae'n plesar gadw gael rhywun fo i chwarae fi. Just neis bod gobeithio bod jai rhoi mwy dda fo.
Rhys Cyffus, llongfechiadau, your thoughts on this evening?
I didn't like the way it finished. Obviously we made all our subs and we were down to 10, but I didn't think we dealt with the last 10 minutes particularly well. Didn't deal with set pieces particularly well and made a couple of errors here and there. But other than that, obviously it was a well-deserved win. First half was frustrating. They tried to frustrate us and it worked. But we said second half we've got to come out, we've got to move the ball quicker, be a little bit braver. And it'll come, and it came quickly, obviously.
Got in half-time 0-0. I think our performance, our solid defensive performance has summed us up the last two games. We've looked far better defensively and far more astute. But then to come out the second half and the naivety of the first goal and when it came and the three players diving in all along to get to the end, it kind of shot ourselves in the foot. We'd weathered the storm and conditions. We'd come in the second half. We knew we were going to have to deal with a decent rotation and wide players for them. And it's just a uphill battle after that. We had a 20-minute spell where we lost our way a little bit. But like I said, the longer the game goes on, the longer we stay in the game, I said at the end we had 3 corners in the 6-yard box. We were first ahead of it. So and then another day, like Tuesday, when we went through our goalkeeper's hands, they're there, going to go through theirs, and there's nobody there to put a ball in. It's frustrating. We're not a million miles off. There's just a little turn of fortune and a little more, kind of that little silly first goal was probably what cost us.
Just a word about Chris Venables. He's come equal to Wyn Thomas's record. You've played with him, you've managed him. What makes him such a good player for so long?
Well, first and foremost, there's no way someone like Wyn Thomas should have the same record as Venus, so I'm glad that's going to get taken off him soon. But no, look, he's a professional. I think he's looked after himself. He's worked tremendously hard at his fitness, and even now he's 37 and he's trying to learn. He's trying to listen, and there's obviously not much left to teach him. But he's very coachable as well. So he's just a really honest lad, to be honest with you, with an abundance of talent.